do-over. Welcome back to Perfume Vegas. I'm Holly Golightly. Hello. I am going to be doing an unboxing video today. I don't do these videos like ever because I'm much too lazy to wait until I'm on camera to unbox something. But I needed a video for Friday. I didn't know what to use, so that's what's happening. I have a package from Mercari and I have a package from a perfume company that I'm going to be opening. I'm in pajamas because, man, it's hot and I am tired. And nobody got time for real clothes. I have my very, very dull X-Acto knife here. And let's get this one open. I'm opening the Mercari one first. I actually had already begun opening it because I realized that you could totally see my address and the Mercari shipper's address. Like I said, I don't ever do these, so I didn't even realize I hadn't like blocked them out. Oh my god, I can't get it open. My pajama bottoms are Mickey Mouse and they do have like little feetsies. Okay, where else do I need to cut? Here, okay. Wow, this is gonna be such an entertaining video. Like, I can't figure out how to get anything open. Okay. I ordered this from Mercari. I was pretty excited when I found it because, if I could ever get it open and reveal the contents to you, you'd understand why. What is this sorcery? What is this? Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we got it open somehow. I'm not sure if it's how it was meant to be open, but... So, this was as it was advertised, in a bag, or with a bag like this, so this is not a surprise to me. It is a little set from this brand Nuxe Paris, and the real reason that I wanted it was because of the 15 ml perfume that it comes with. This is the Nuxe Prodigieux Le Parfum. I've seen so many people. I've seen Mila LeBlanc. I've seen Gabrielle Francesca. I've seen a lot of European or like people who have gone to Europe a lot talk about this fragrance as like the scent of like the south of France, and it sounded beautiful. When I was first looking for it, I was looking for, you know, those summery suntan scent fragrances, but this doesn't smell like suntan lotion. This smells very classy. I'll spray this on in a minute. I just want to show you what else is in the bag. So there is also the Nuxe dry oil, and this one has never been used. This one was tested. This one has never been used. It is 0.33 fluid ounces. There is a sunscreen, I believe. Oh no, it's just the Creme Fraiche Debut 48-hour moisturizing cream from Nuxe, and this one I believe had also never been used. Yeah. And then the Prodigieux Le Parfum body lotion. This one's been tested, and then the Prodigieux shower gel, which she said she'd never tested it, and it is sealed still. So this bag with all of these items, they're all travel sizes. I think these will be great for just traveling in general. The body oil I will definitely use because I hate thick body creams. This is perfect for moisturizing. And then this little tester size or travel size of this perfume is just what I needed to try this out. Smells really beautiful, really luxurious. Yeah, really nice. And this kit was selling, she was selling for $12 on Mercari. So I picked that up and I'm very, very happy about that purchase. Hey you guys, it's Holly from the future. Just popping on. It's really dark. Wow. Just popping on to say, I'm sorry, things are out of focus. Like, I didn't even realize. I filmed with the back camera and I couldn't see the screen. So anyway, B, I realized after wearing it that the NYX La Prodigieuse perfume, that NYX perfume smells exactly like Charlie Red, but like so much classier. Like if Charlie Red got married to a really wealthy shipping magnate and spent all of her days just on a yacht in the south of France, then she'd upgrade and she would smell like the NYX perfume. So yeah, I like that. That's nice. Anyway, now back to your originally scheduled content. I will have to make sure I go and rate her because I just got this in today. Coffee break. And then this comes from a online purchase. This comes from an online perfume store, or the online storefront of a real world perfume store. I should be more specific. I ordered this about less than a week ago and it got here. It was quick. Shipping was quick. If you're wondering who it's from, it is Donatella Perfumes. I don't know if that's in frame or if it's getting blurry, but I will write them down below. They do have a storefront website. You can order from them. Very highly rated. After I made my purchase, the owner sent me a thank you email. I mean, I was really impressed by the service and the selection of the products that they have. And I picked up Jean-Paul Gaultier La Belle Eau de Parfum, the 100 ml. So I bought the 100 ml because it was all they had in stock. I probably would have gone with a 50 ml otherwise, but it's all right. Oh my god, who was saying that these canisters were so hard to open? They're right. Is this taped somewhere? Oh, it's like stuck. Hold on. This isn't going to be very elegant. I've got to get this out. Okay, there we go. It's just stuck. So there's the perfume. This was where it was stuck. It was just caught onto the back. I'll just tape that down. But there she is. 100, all 100 mils of her. Wow, that's a big bottle. That is a big bottle. I can smell it. It smells very sweet, fresh. Let's take this off. Or can we? There we go. Oh my god. We'll spray on this hand. You ready? Oh. Okay, we'll spray on the arm. Juicy. Definitely very juicy, sweet. I'm interested because the notes, weren't the notes honey, pear, something, and vetiver, something and vetiver, pear, something, and vetiver. I could smell the vetiver, actually. That's really nice. I was afraid just by sniffing this out of the bottle that it was going to be too sweet, but actually That's really very nice. So that is my unboxing, my perfume unboxing for today. You will see Jean Paul Gaultier and the NYX Perfume in my haul later whenever I get around to filming it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. This is like so much bigger than I expected it to be. Holy moly. Very beautiful though. This is definitely something you would keep. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you don't mind having an unboxing video today. Let me know what you think about any of these products. I know a lot of people have La Belle already, and then if you have tried the NYX, any of these products, whether it's the perfume, the oil, the body products, or the face products, let me know how you think about them. I'm excited to try them all, to be honest. I really love new skincare, new body care, new perfumes, everything. So thank you so much for joining me today on Perfume Vegas, and I hope that you have a great afternoon. Thank you, and see you later. Bye!